to the first one, which is about artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, also known as AI, can help accounting and finance professionals be more productive. AI algorithms can take over time-consuming, repetitive, and redundant tasks, thus streamlining operations to reduce costs and errors. The more finance professionals rely on AI to do what it does best, which is to analyze and process a tremendous amount of data and take care of monotonous tasks, the more time that they have to focus on revenue or customer-related activities. AI has changed the expectation clients have when dealing with companies, and it's the same for accounting. AI helps accountants to be more efficient. Next, let's take a look at the impact of artificial intelligence in the accounting and finance world. The impact on audits. Data analytics is very important for auditors. It helps them to easily establish the scope of the audit and carry out a risk assessment. Robotic process automation and analytics facilitate tracking records for the audit of routine transactions. Cognitive computing, AI and predictive analytics help with the more complex and non-routine transactions that require estimates and judgments. Artificial intelligence automates many tasks that were previously done manually, such as ingesting data. It analyzes 100% of the data set without requiring a human to create tests, write scripts, or remember all the rules. Key to the future of audit is that AI is changing the definition of reasonable assurance by understanding the entirety of the ledger and identify anomalies based on risks rather than rules. Digitalization in the audit process has led to the enhancement of the security level. Each file that is accessed can be tracked by auditors using a digital tracker. It makes it possible for auditors to work better and smarter by probing into the digital files rather than spending too much time searching through all the paper documentations. And it enables them to use their human judgment to analyze a broader and deeper set of data and documents. Hence, digitalization process in auditing provides improved accuracy of audit. Artificial intelligence in accounting and auditing helps to record every financial transaction of the company. It will help auditors to become more efficient, therefore increasing productivity and helping their organizations meet their goals. Next, for cash flows, AI empowers businesses with financial management tools to quickly and easily reconcile the organization's activity and understand their historic cash flow statement and future cash requirements. It shows trends both forward and backward in time. AI tools, devices, or AI applications not only speed up your processes, but also make your financial processes accurate and secure. The AI-powered systems can collect data from various sources and integrate that data. The AI-powered machines make your quarterly, monthly cash flow collected in no time and consolidate it easily. What is impact on chatbots? AI-driven chatbots are developed to solve users' queries more efficiently. The queries may include the latest account balance details, statements, credit bills, and account status, etc. With the help of chatbots, your finance team can track outstanding invoices and automate the follow-up process to ensure that invoices are paid and closed promptly. AI chatbots can also be used to allow employees in other departments like sales or marketing to more efficiently report and track business expenses by submitting receipts directly to the board or by answering simple questions like, do I have any outstanding expense reports? Or when will I be reimbursed for this business expense? AI chatbots even answer everyday questions from customers and are increasingly becoming capable of handling Tier 1 level support. Additionally, they can answer questions about your latest account balances, the due date of certain bills, the status of accounts, and more. Therefore, AI helps accountants in many ways. Many aspects of financial services involve a series of tasks that become tedious owing to the manual validation, assessment, and verification of data. AI not only allows accounting companies, but also tech companies to solve problems in ways we have never considered, thanks to the data that we are equipped with. How does AI help with expense management? The AI-powered system can replace humans by taking over all the tedious tasks that were previously done manually, thus saving a lot of time. They are more quick and efficient. The task of revising and finalizing expenses to confirm that they are compliant according to the company's norms is a difficult one. The manual process consumes more data and more time for your finance team. AI will speed up the process because instead of the possibility of human error, the chain will be entirely digital, allowing for tighter, more precise review. AI machines can also read all receipts, audit costs, and also alert the human workforce when a breach is occurred. Pay receive processing. Traditionally, invoice processing has been one of the most time and cost-consuming jobs done manually in any firm. Invoices worth billions are processed, and accounts payable is one process that mid to large-sized companies cannot elude. However, one needs to go through every email, download invoices, verify and extract the data manually, and finally process the payments. In this digital world, the need to automate invoice processing has become important to improve accounting, increase the volume, get zero-error processing, and maintain vendor relationships. Digital transformation in accounting and finance has gone to another level thanks to AI-based invoice management systems that help finance clients in making invoice processing efficiently. Due to technology advancements in the finance sector, digital machines using AI are learning the accounting codes that best suit for every invoice. Procurement. According to a recent report conducted by Gartner, AI technologies will add significant value if provided with the right platform. So application leaders in procurement need to drive better adoption of foundational procurement solutions. There is a lot of paperwork involved when it comes to filing the organization's procurement or purchasing methods. A large amount of records needs to be maintained on the systems that are not in connection with each other. As AI machines process unstructured data using APIs, the procurement process will be automated. Lastly, supplier onboarding. Using AI in your own onboarding processes can help you reach a broader set of new customers while increasing revenue and differentiating your organization from the competition. The AI-powered systems can now access the suppliers by scrutinizing their tax details or credit scores. AI tools can set all suppliers in the systems without the involvement of a human. Also, they can set the query portals to get the required data. So how do we get started on learning about artificial intelligence? Here are a few recommendations. AI for Everyone, offered by deeplearning.ai on Coursera. Also on Coursera, we have AI Fundaments for Everyone specialization offered by IBM. Artificial Intelligence for Finance, Accounting, and Auditing, offered by AI Essence on Udemy. And we have Learn with Google AI, offered by Google Education. And lastly, Innovations in Investment Technology, Artificial Intelligence, offered by the University of Michigan on Coursera. Here are some additional learning materials. We have Artificial Intelligence in Finance, Elon Musk on Artificial Intelligence, How to Harness Artificial Intelligence in Accounting by Ernst & Young, The Impact of Artificial Intelligence in Accounting Work, Expert Systems Used in Auditing and Tax by ResearchGate, and What is Artificial Intelligence Exactly by Cold Fusion.